So hi guys, this is MMB and you are watching Mobile King YouTube channel. Guys, in this tutorial we are going to know how you can remove Lenovo p1ma40 pattern or FIP lock. So guys, it's very simple and very easy and you can do it easily without any PC and without any box. So guys, start before I say you, if you not subscribe my channel, so please subscribe my channel because your subscription is my confidence. So don't be late, just hit subscribe button. Let's start.
I have you now.
So guys, if you want to unlock this phone, so you need a phone and Wi-Fi network. First you connect with your Wi-Fi network. So already I will try to connect my Wi-Fi network. Now you just go back. So now you can call this number with another phone, and when you receive a call, then you have to got an option to unlock this phone FIP lock. So now you just receive the call and click here more and add call. So now you can disconnect your call. Now you here dial *## 4636 ###. You have to got a option. Now you just click user statistics and click your back option, and now you have to got all setting of your phone. Now you just scroll down and choose application and find your Chrome. So now you just tap second page and choose all, and here you can find Chrome option. So here is the Chrome option. Now you just click Chrome and scroll down and click launch. Yes, now here you click launch and a website is open in your phone. Now you just click accept and no thanks. Now you search here quick shortcut maker APK. Quick shortcut maker APK 6.0 APK. Now you just open first website, download shortcut maker for Android 6.0. Now you just click here. Now you scroll down and find download option. Here is the download option. You just click download option and the file is start download. Guys, here some tool add because there are low network, and so my download is not started because low network. So you just go So friend, now you just go back and try again. Yes. So now I will try again. So friend, now the download option is here. Here you click here you wait some moment. After the ad is complete, then download link is available here. So now you just click direct link and the file is start to download. Yes, file is downloading and wait after finish. Now you just open it. There was a problem actually I have to click 2 times download. So now you just open and go to setting and enable permission unknown source. Now you go back and find this application which you download in your device. So I'll download again and then download complete. Automatically this file is open. So I am wait some time. Now you just open and install it. Now you just click accept. Now you open it. Now you search your Google account manager, just scroll down and here is the Google account manager. You just click here and just click number 5 option. Sorry, Google account manager and just type 1 2 3 4 5 number option. And here option try, you just click try and there are no browse signing option available, and then you just click your home button you just click option button. Now here is the browser sign in. You just click here and log in with your Gmail ID and password. I just type my Gmail ID and click next and type here your original password. I'm not interested to show you my password. So, yeah. Now just click sign in. This can take a few minutes, so wait some moment. And now we just click go back. Your phone is final unlock FIP lock and you just go back and click again. When your first account is ready for use, already the account is analyzing, and you just click skip anyway. Now your phone is ready to use. Guys, this is the simple method for remove this phone FIP lock, and please share my video and subscribe my channel. See you again in another video. Till then, bye bye.
I have you. I have you. I have you.